Hey YouTube, Mark here with MC2 Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to be unboxing my 2019 Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1-inch tablet. I was able to get this tablet from Samsung for $29.99. Now, you're thinking $29.99? How can I get it for that cheap when this is a $229 tablet? Well, that was because this was part of my pre-order deal with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I was able to take the $200 credit Samsung gave me for ordering the Note 10 Plus and put it towards this Tab A, and I was able to get it for $29.99. Now, to me, that's a great deal, and I was very happy to finally get a tablet to replace my current tablet that I've been using, my Apple iPad 2 with a cracked screen. I actually haven't even been using it for like the past 6 months because I got just tired of holding it. Number one, it's a very heavy tablet, and number two, the cracked screen. So I've been doing everything social media wise with my Samsung Galaxy devices. So when I had the opportunity to pick up this tablet for $29.99, I said, sure, I'm going to take that deal and run with it. And thank you, Samsung, for that. Now, before I get into the box, let me just read off a couple of specs for this. Now, this is Samsung's middle grade tablet. And when I say middle class tablet, there's the Tab S6 that just released. There's the Tab 5e. There's the Tab S4. Those are great tablets. They're Samsung's high-end tablets. They do have the S Pen support. Then you also have the Tab E, which is Samsung's lower-end tablet, the cheaper tablet, more for kids. And then you have the Tab A, which fits in the middle of that, which from the reviews I've been watching about this tablet, it's a great media consuming device. And that's basically what I'm going to be using this tablet for. I'm not going to be doing too much high-end stuff. I'm not going to be playing too many games. I'm just going to use it to watch YouTube videos, movies, get on social media, transfer files from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus to my tablet, and that's about it. So it seems like it's a very good device for the price. Now, I know Android tablets haven't been getting that popular. Apple iPads are the best tablets, and I understand that. But when I was able to pick this up for only $29.99, hey, that's a great deal to me, and it's something I couldn't pass up. Now, for the specs on this device, it does have a Exynos 7904 processor, which is a octa-core processor. It weighs about 1 pound, which that is pretty light compared to my iPad 2. It also has a front 5 megapixel camera. It has a rear 8 megapixel camera. Now, tablets with cameras, they're not the greatest, but I'll have to try it out and see how good it takes pictures and videos. I'll probably post stuff on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at MarkC609, and you'll be able to see some of the photos and videos that this tablet can do. Now, for video recording, it can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. It does have a 6,150 mAh battery, which Samsung claims it's an all-day battery. This device, I believe, supports faster 15-watt charging, but it does not include a fast charger in the box. I have a bunch of fast chargers, so I will see how fast this thing can charge up. It has 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, but that internal storage can be upgraded up to 512 through an SD card. Now, the 2 gigs of RAM, That's why I say I'm not going to be doing too much on this tablet, but pretty much just watching videos and hanging around social media, because I do not think with the 2 gigabytes of RAM that you can push this tablet to the limit. That's why Android tablets haven't been very good, because when I tried them a couple years ago, they were very laggy. I'm stuttering, and that's why I got an iPad, and I had this for a long time. But like I said, it's broke, and I was able to upgrade for cheap. So it is. Tab A does also have Bluetooth 5.0. It does have a headphone jack, which is great because I just want to be able to plug my headphones in and watch some movies on it. It does have dual speakers. It doesn't have quad speakers, but it does have dual firing bottom speakers. And that's about it for specs. Like I said, this is a middle grade tablet. For the $200 price range, can't really beat it. So let's just get right into it. Open this thing up and see what we got. Around the box, real quick, it just tells you what you get inside. A couple of more details about it. The information for it down here. And the nice photo of it. Alright, and we're greeted with the tablet in this cloth type material. It really looks like a dryer sheet. We'll put this to the side real quick and just show you real quick what comes in it. It does include a charging brick, the wattage. It doesn't say fast charging, just your standard Samsung charger. You get your USB A to USB Type-C cable. And in here you get your micro SD ejection tool. And there's probably some paperwork in here. That's about it. We'll put this back. And let's get into the tablet. First off, it is light. It is thin, which I really, really like. Alright, here we go. Now, first off, that I see, it is a very nice looking tablet, to be honest. It's a 10.1 inch, which is a great size for watching content. It's not too big. It's very thin, if you can see it there. It's a lot thinner than my iPad too. The back of it, the bottom, you have your, like I said, you have your dual speakers on the bottom, your Type-C port. On this side here, you have your micro SD slot. You have your volume up and down, and your power button right there. On the top, you have your noise canceling microphone and a headphone jack, which I'm very happy to have. And just like the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, you have nothing on this side. And the front has a little bit of bezel, but it's very nice looking. And there's your front facing camera. Besides that, it looks very nice. Let's turn it on. There we go. Now, this tablet doesn't have face unlock. It does have just a regular PIN pattern or password, which I'm okay with because, like I said, this won't be leaving the house really. It's just gonna be around to watch some videos and get on social media. It is running Android 9 with Samsung's One UI skin over top. And the nice thing is that this tablet will be getting Samsung's latest version of One UI, the 2.0 version, when that gets released. Oh, there goes the phone. Let's get into it and just see what it looks like. We'll skip all this. I believe this tablet doesn't have a vibration motor neither, which is kind of disappointing, but I guess for the price, can't complain. Now, just by looking initially, the screen looks really nice. The colors on it are popping. I can imagine watching some videos in full HD are going to look beautiful. And like I said, holding this tablet like this, it's very comfortable. It's light. Now, let me put this down real quick and show you this is my iPad with the cracked screen. But like I said, this is heavy. It's wide. It's just, I don't know, it's outdated. This tablet, much lighter. This is heavy. It just got annoying to hold. Not a lot of bloatware apps installed. You have your Samsung Kids app, and then all your regular Google and Samsung apps. I will be setting this up and testing it out. Probably make another video or so after I've been using it for a while, just to come back and tell you guys how it's been. I also have some accessories that I'm going to be showing and reviewing of it. So I will end the video there, but thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. All subscribers help me out. And also leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace out and thank you for watching.